akwa baba attention TV so mo sonfo akwiantwa na sabri mayi meti a mede esompa e de baba som na me ka se djumaku a so mase ene me gina wie mu a wo so hu ma ho fe kama ye obatampa travel and tour express consultancy won say omo ye express na just say 3 months na just say wo tra prem ana say 2 months na wo tra prem ara ne sa just say o sika sem enye waste sa na say wo be frɛ obatampa e wo number na egu TV screen na say phone screen na nim no wo be frɛ obatampa for na wo nu omo edi nsa wo so afa wa kwantu sem e bia na wo amano ne wo pese wo be fa wo ma e free ha say ko wo pese wo ye ne intent ma mesrɛ frɛ obatampa e was a line na egusu na onu omo nkasa Ghana asi omo office e wo bubu ahia o from omo nkasa be update about your acquaintance nya na tisi bibia aye kama e bosom ye twam ane ne nam tentan so Ghana kurum ha ye pempanifu edi anim yesi oman ya pani nim sa ma na esi apini anase sa ma na ejija maya penenim sa man na ejija enti busum ye twa mu de na chese ye ka ne se candidate fo bi agina chese on person be gina Ghana ni magana koye e papa na buka na de Japan e ka ho a chese ono so kra ye wi a no so be ma nkrofo showdown ye ni bresempa na we na ye papa Alan Kyeremanteng abato no course no NPP fo na yi ne ma chese entokwa ne ade esuso ma ne fans edi na chi ye twetwetwe bi ma so hu yi firi wa chese ebi mu ehwero mani na ye papa hwe no se se na de be ye de na wo se me pebe bi okodro ma resign menye ndi president bia wo maimu mpem ba bi mfa na nre yara ye da sori ya papa Alan Kyeremanteng tese wa ye press conference kama tese ya papa ankasa ese onu ankasa ete ne party ye friend freedom party tese Ghana fo ye de ho be bono anase Ghana fo ye de ho be dom na tese ye benya freedom ahotoso papa ye papa Kyeremanteng one na yere oso no e de ba Ghana ha tese ye tumo manase ye de adwemo ma they say oh I work alone. They say only NPP side, only NDC side. We the onankasa say onankasa F for money party. Mr. Yenti Papa Kyeremanteng
made some of the most controversial and contentious decisions in the history of our party. They rejected a petition signed by 9 out of the 10 aspirants requesting for the Superdelegates Conference to be held in one location, as well as to allow each delegate at the conference to nominate 5 persons instead of 1, in line with the provisions of our party's constitution. In my humble and considered opinion, the decisions of the National Council were both unmeritorious and unconstitutional. To make matters worse, it was absolutely clear, as I indicated in my press statement of the 6th of September this year, that the Superdelegates Conference was strategically and tactically skewed and maneuvered in favor of one particular aspect. The level of intimidation and monetization that characterized the conference is unprecedented in the history of internal elections of our party. The subsequent decisions made by the National Council to vary the rules of procedure for the runoff arising from the Superdelegates Conference, in direct contravention of both the constitution of the party and the guidelines which had been issued by the Presidential Primary Selections Committee, will go down in history as a travesty of justice and a demonstration of high-handedness by the highest decision-making body of the party, second only to the annual delegates conference. Fellow countrymen and women, I joined the new patriotic party at the very beginning of its establishment as a founding member, believing in its core values and the long-standing traditions of its antecedents, predicated on the principles of fairness, equity, probity, accountability, and transparency. I have devoted the best part of my professional career to serving the party, and I still believe in the vision of the founding fathers of the party. However, the NPP, as it exists now, has very little resemblance to the party that I joined in 1992 and helped to help. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The party has been hijacked by a selected group of party leaders and elders, government appointees, behind the curtain power brokers and some unscrupulous party apparatchiks. It was my fervent wish to use the vehicle of their party to bring my God-given talents, experience, and knowledge acquired both locally and internationally over a period of 46 years to serve our dear nation, Ghana, at the highest level of executive authority. It is abundantly clear to me that my services and contributions to the party are not appreciated, and that my continuous stay in the party will create further tension and divisions, which is an exact replay of the circumstances that led to my decision to resign from the party in 2008. Fellow countrymen and women, under the circumstances and given the context provided, I wish to use this platform to announce that I'm honorably resigning with immediate effect. Thank you. 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 Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Me da se oje bre etwe me. Elpa line. Elpa line 1. We dey say na papa se a wo hu na wate no. Entokwa bi ansi bi mu de. Se NPP for ne NDC for ne ye nya bebo ma akoto abo. Ye hu nkrofo na e bia still na yakọ wo mo se kan ti. Ma ye hu ne ekoso ye still na I say game no you are still in. Nti ma ye hu baby ku a e bia obeto ho akoto aba foforo nkrofo nkwa na ba akoto ati se entokwa bi ansi wo ma na ye hu ne yie. Aye papa line. Ya me shira papa ne wo decision why de boa Ghana ma mo somfo akuantwiwa papa bi na me de esum besom akra.